Tulong yung asim niya. So, now, lagyan na natin yung sitaw, guys. Lagyan na natin yung sitaw. Then, babalikan natin ulit siya ng mga 2 minutes. Takpan lang natin siya. So, now, 2 minutes is over. Luto na yung ating sinigang na hipon sa kamyas. Ayan, sarap niya. Wow. Kaya, guys, kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, so please just subscribe my channel and also just click the notification down there. Okay, the bell button down there, and then also always notify you every single day if I have a new videos that I uploaded here in my channel. So thank you so much. See ya.